I'd be damn, smoked Jimmy the Harper with a hard little pistol and a lariat. She going to the bottom and she going down the drain. Said she wasn't big enough to carry it. She got to get behind the mule, yeah. In the morning and plow, yeah. Got to get behind the mule. In the morning and plow. You got to get behind the mule. In the morning and plow. Get behind the mule. In the morning and plow. Chopper the chops with the axe in the woods. You got to meet me by the fall down tree. A shovel of dirt upon a coffin lid. And I know they come looking for me, boys. I know they come looking for me. Got to get behind the mule, yeah. In the morning and plow. And get behind the mule. In the morning and plow. Get behind the mule. In the morning and plow. Get behind the mule. In the morning and plow. Big Jack girl was 8'1" and he stood in the road and he cried. He couldn't make her love him, he couldn't make her stay. Tell the good Lord that he tried. Got to get behind the mule, yeah. The morning and plow. Get behind the mule. The morning and plow, yeah. You got to get behind the mule. Morning and plow. Got to get behind the mule. Morning and plow. Dusty trail from Atchison to Placerville on the wreck of the Weaverville stage. Beautified painted for a lemonade. I was stirring my brandy with a nail, boys. Stirring my brandy with a nail. Got to get behind the mule. Morning and plow. Get behind the mule. Morning and plow. You got to get behind the mule. Morning and plow, yeah. Get behind the mule. Morning and plow. Sons of the widow James, Jack the Cutter, and the pockmarked kid. They had to stand naked at the bottom of the cross and tell the good Lord what they did. Tell the good Lord what they did. You got to get behind the mule, yeah. In the morning and plow. Get behind the mule, yeah. In the morning and plow. You got to get behind the mule. Morning and plow. Get behind the mule. The morning and plow. Punctuated birds on the power line. In the Studebaker with Birdie Joe a hoax. I'm digging all the way to China with a silver spoon by the hand.